The first question is, we are looking forward to blank you next week. The correct answer is, seeing. The next question is, I am looking forward blank seeing you soon. The correct answer is, to. The next question is, he blank be at home, his car is in the driveway. The correct answer is, must. The next question is, I am really looking forward blank meeting you next week. The correct answer is, to. The next question is, he blank to the store yesterday afternoon to buy groceries. The correct answer is, went. The next question is, if I blank more time, I would learn a new language. The correct answer is, had. The next question is, they decided to travel to Italy, as it was a place they had blank visited. The correct answer is, already. The next question is, my sister is very good blank playing the piano. The correct answer is, at. The next question is, if it blank tomorrow, we won't go to the beach. The correct answer is, rains. The next question is, she is looking forward to blank her grandparents next week. The correct answer is, seeing. The next question is, I have been learning English blank 5 years. The correct answer is, 4. The next question is, the man blank lives next door is a doctor. The correct answer is, who. The next question is, she studied hard for the exam, blank she felt confident. The correct answer is, so. The next question is, she arrived at the station blank the train left. The correct answer is, after. The next question is, you blank finish your homework before you can go out and play. Write your answer in the comments. The next question is, she has been working here blank 2018. The correct answer is, since. The next question is, she is very interested blank learning languages. The correct answer is, in. The next question is, the woman blank is standing next to the door is my aunt. The correct answer is, who. The next question is, she usually works in London, but this week she blank in Manchester. The correct answer is working. The next question is, she blank already finished her homework when I called. The correct answer is, had. The next question is, by the time we arrived, the train blank left. The correct answer is, had. The next question is, she has lived in London blank 3 years. The correct answer is, 4. The next question is, I go to the gym blank the morning. The correct answer is, in. The last question is, have you finished your homework blank? Write your answer in the comments.